how to rank YouTube videos fast, boys and girls. We're going to go into some stats. I'm going to use my own channel as analytics, and we'll see how we can rank our YouTube videos fast. Now, normally you know that when you Google it, you get the result that usually videos take from 1 to 3 to 6 months to rank in Google search, right? So I'm gonna go over my own examples of this, see if it really did take, but mostly they take 3 to 6 months. We'll see if this is actually how long it takes for YouTube videos to rank and how you can maximize this, right? So I got this channel, I got this gaming channel where I'll be using 2 videos as an example. They're both tutorial videos for a rather unknown game, but they do get some search volume. So if I, as you can see here, how to get HM01, if I search this in vidIQ's keyword tool, okay, or first let's take this one with the bike. So as you can see, this video has 5k views, let's say 5k views, and it was uploaded like 9 months ago, more than 9 months ago. So if we search, see the volume gets about 2k views or 2k searches per month. This is per month, and the competition is very low. So first off, how you can rank fast in YouTube search, you want to make sure that whichever keyword tool you use, make sure that the competition is low or very low. Also, the overall score you want to be high, like it is here, or extremely high. I don't know, I have not met a keyword, or I have not seen a keyword which has a score in this at this level. So what I like to think for YouTube keywords and what I like to compare them to are, or is, winning the lottery. So for example, this is an okay-ish keyword. As you can see, overall score 65. Now 60 and above is like you winning 20 bucks from a scratch card, right? You pay $5 for this scratch card and then you win 20 bucks from it. That is, you win something. So all you have to do is make this video, wait 3 to 6 months, and see how far you have ranked in the YouTube search, right? But we don't always win. You have to keep searching for good keywords which have overall high score. So if I was to do some random or some overly used keyword, so for example, this is a good keyword, but how to play PokeMMO on PC. As you can see, the overall score is medium here. There is a big search volume, but the overall score is medium. So this is probably you breaking even from the scratch card. You buy it for $5, you scratch it off, you get $5, right? There is no guarantee that you will get views with such keywords or such a score, right? So let's look at the examples, like I said, from my own videos. Now, this one was getting 2k views per month searches. What if I search my other video? Let's see how many views per month or how many searches per month it gets. All right, so this one gets 1700 per month. Okay, so again, a high score. Let's see how they progress throughout the months. So first off, this first one, which is 1 minute long. Also, I want you to pay attention to how long these videos are. So this one is 1 minute long and it's gotten pretty much the same amount of views. So how high up in YouTube search you rank does not equal to how long your video is. If you get a good watch time, same thing. However, what it will influence is how much you earn. So for example, this video got me 5k views and I made $4, right? But my other video, which also has like only 400 more views, again around the 5k mark, earned me double that. And that is because it is over 8 minutes long, right? Over 8 minutes, and YouTube, you basically put on more ads. So let's see how they progress throughout the months. So my first video, I will do a custom period right here. So the date was released the 6th of December, and then I'm gonna do let's do January 6th of January, or not January, sorry, June. All right, we apply this and let's see how many views we were getting. So first off, unnatural growth. I have quite a few subscribers. Well, not too many. I have like 3,000, but still, some of my subscribers watched this video the day it was posted, right? 58 views the first day, and after that, as you can see, 11 views. It started going down, and then this is the actual number of searches it was getting per day. So three views. Then we got 4 views, 7 views, 10 views. So the maximum we got from this were 10 views. As you can see, 5, 2, 7. It gradually started picking up. So a month from when it was posted, it gradually started picking up. Again, it's not getting very many views, but compared to the very start where it was getting like 3 to 6 views, then here we had a period of 15, 15, 14, 12. See, it gradually picked up, but then again, it became stagnant and it started getting very little views. I don't understand why that was. But as you can see, we are how many months in? All right, let's stop right here. So we are January, February, March, April, 4 months in. 4 months is how long it took for this video to start getting good traction. So if we look at this, as you can see, it started getting 15, 20 views per day. And then there was this huge spike. I have no idea what happened here. It is the same for my other video as well. I think I made some Nino Kuni content, which is not related at all to this. So maybe it just got suggested, this video. I don't know. It started getting views, but it doesn't matter. This was just like an exception. So 100 views, blah blah blah, and then we started going down again. But after this huge spike, ever since then the views have been consistent, and they've been twice the number of what these originally were. So this huge spike, I guess, indicates when this video started ranking first in YouTube search. So as you can see, we went from 7 views to 20 views, pretty much 20, 30 views, 46 views a day. So 20 to 40 views every single day. Compared to before, where we were getting 6 to 15 views. This is how long it took for this specific video to rank in Google search or in YouTube search, and to start getting the appropriate number of views. As if we go to my details currently, if we go to the tags, as you can see, this video is ranking first. Just give it a second, on almost every single search term. All right, that was one of the examples which I wanted to show you. Now, the other example, you see something very similar here. As you can see, it's still getting views. Now, if we go to a custom period, I uploaded this on the 6th again. Yes, the 6th of December. So we'll do the 6th of June right here. Apply. And let's see. Again, an unnatural growth just from my subscribers, and 25 views the next day, and the third day we get 1 view. That is all we get. So 1 view, then we get 11, 10, 9. This video was doing a little bit better right off the bat, but then again it became very stagnant. 7 views, 11 views, 13 views. Again, similar story, right? Similar story, nothing really special here. But then again, after this huge spike, 140 views, 136 views the next day, 114. I don't know what happened here again, but after that it has doubled its resources. So its views. So how long did it take for this one to rank? So this one took, so April, the same number of months it took for this one to rank. So January, February, March, April, 4 months, 4 months. So this saying which people use, that it takes from 3 to 1 month or 3 months, or rather 1 month, 3 to 6 months. If that doesn't work, is correct. So mostly for my videos, you will see that it takes 4 months for them to rank. As you can see right here, we're getting 61 views, 30 views, 40 views, 20 views, 20 to 30 views. There's a little bit of a drop here, but it was just one day. So basically we went from 5 to 15 views rather. Then we went to 20 to 40 views. Or maybe, yeah, 20 to 40 views. So this is how long it takes for videos to rank. So what can you do to speed up the ranking process? Well, honestly, you just have to be super consistent and keep uploading. There is no magical formula which you can do to make your videos rank faster. Of course, you can optimize the SEO or use the SEO optimization, search engine optimization. That will speed it up. But there is no magical formula. Your video has to earn its spot in the search results. When people search for it, if it's a tutorial video, they will see it, they'll click it, they'll watch it, it will help them. You'll get engagement, and the more engagement, the more people use your video, the higher it will rank. All right, so how can we maximize the effect we get from this? Well, what I think is most important is that we need to have a certain level of quality, which we have to keep here, right? We mustn't go below a certain quality level, but we have to upload and prioritize quantity. Because if we get one video which gets 20 views per day, if the month has 30 days, those are 600 views per month. But what if we have 40 videos which get us 20 views per day, 800 views every single day? So if we do 800 times 30, those are 24k views. So the more you have, you really need to have value in your videos, and you really need to make as many as possible. So just keep grinding, prioritize your quantity for your videos, and you should get results way faster. You shouldn't invest all of your eggs into one basket. Separate them. In this basket, give 2 eggs. In the other basket, give 1.5 eggs. I don't care. Just keep making videos, and they will eventually rank in the search. Hope these statistics kind of helped you out, got you a better understanding of how the SEO works. And yeah, boys and girls, I hope it helped you out. Make sure you like and sub if you made it this far. Only a small percentage of you will, and I appreciate you guys. All right, bye bye.